Welcome to Seattle and good day. Folks with that very nice landing route, standing pilots here at Airlines. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the Emerald City. The local time is 5:53 a.m. Do note the 1 hour time change. We'll be taxiing here for just a few more minutes to remain seated, seatbelts fastened, all carry-on items stowed, and now the center aisleway until the aircraft has come to a stop at the terminal. Then the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. I'll be exiting the aircraft using the forward left-hand door. Through the jet bridge, please be sure that you do have all of your belongings, as this is the termination of our flying, and we do not want you to forget anything on board. Check luggage may be claimed in the main terminal area. Once again, we'll be arriving in the North Satellite Terminal today. Just look for the signs to baggage claim. You'll need to take